Hi, this is Leanne with Vision RV, and I'm shooting a live video of the 2022 Sabre 36 BHQ. There's the floor plan there. And that is the price right now. That's what it was. And no. Okay, so we're gonna just take a walk really quickly and check this one out. So this one is a little bit different than the other one, floor plan wise. You still got that nice big wide door, right? And the nice solid steps when you enter, which is nice. You also have the stiff hinges as well. So just giving you a little bit of a different option here. So when you enter right away, what you get is a closet. So you can put boots, you got coat racks up here that go all the way back for coats and things, which is really nice and handy to have, especially if you have kids. Then they can take their stuff off right here and they're not tracking anything through. Then of course you have this awesome docking station, right? So with this you have access to sliding everything out, turning the lights off and on, leveling it, turning on your awning, all that stuff, right? There's your furnace and your voltage. Then you walk in right away and you have this beautiful kitchen. So you got your smart control fridge and freezer, as well as down here there's more freezer, and then nice big huge fridge. Keep lots of stuff in there. So then you got, of course, your kitchen table with your storage under the seats. You have your recliners here. So you got your massage and your lights and all that stuff right there. And it's just your recliner. You just press this and it reclines. Extra storage in there. And then, of course, you've got your pull-out couch with your foam ports as well. And again, true to Sabre, you got your zebra blinds. So you can control how much light is coming in and out with your zebra blinds. And then, of course, you have your pull-out couch. And then your fridge, or your TV, fireplace, and stereo, all right here. TV pulls out nice, so you can even turn it, and then you got extra storage behind your TV. Another nice little function that Sabre does. And that's just magnet to hold the TV in place. Then you got deep cabinets, and a lot of them. Nice, big, beautiful pantry. With, of course, your motion detector light. Microwave, extra storage, of course, on top of the microwave. You got your microwave there, and then you have here your glass top with your 3 burners and then your oven. And of course, extra storage underneath your oven. So it's not as big as the other one that I showed you. You still have all your storage in your island, and of course your phone ports and outlets and everything. In here is your bunkhouse. So you do only have the 1 bed in here, but you do have, like, you can put a TV in there as well, like a nice spot for your TV. And this can be your boys' room, or you pull it out and the girls can share a bed, but you don't have to do that. Of course, a lot of storage in here as well with your nice, of course, true to Sabre, right? With the nice deep, oh, you got a closet even, nice deep storage cabinets. Let's turn these pocket lights. I like these little pocket lights. You just press them and they turn on and off. The pocket lights are really nice to have. They're also, your pocket lights are above your recliner as well. So you can have all the other lights off and then just have your pocket lights on. And you go up the stairs here. Handle right at the stairs. And then you got this ladder that pops out like so. And then you go up and then you got your bunkhouse. Your loft up here. A lot of storage in here. And your light switch just right up there. So they don't have to crawl over and hit that pocket light. They can just flick it on and off with the light switch. And a nice window to look out. Of course, your zebra blinds. And then a nice big huge bathroom with a lot of storage again. Your glass sliding doors. And then your skylight. A lot of shelves in this shower to put stuff in too. In the bedroom is basically the same layout as the other one, the other Sabre. So really the only difference is the bunkhouse with the loft. The other one has the bunkhouse on the back. A lot of room, a lot of space, but it is a little bit longer. So this one is the same layout with your washer and dryer hookup there. It's still all the same layout. So that is your 2022 Forest River Sabre 36 BHQ. And we'll take a look at the outside as well. It's nice and easy to go up and down those steps too. Still your tinted glass on all the windows to help that bright light come shining through and give you a little bit more privacy, which is really nice. Still got your hitch on the back. Your wash station. A lot of space on that through and through again. Propane. And then your spare tire, your battery, you can put in you have lots of room for an extra battery if you want to. And then of course your shut off switch. Where's she go? And then your outside kitchen is just a little bit smaller, so you don't have the cupboard space or the storage as the other one, but you still have your fridge here Nice sink, and you don't have to worry about splashing because it's metal. And then of course you got your pocket light, so that you can light it up and check things out as well. And then of course on the other side, so nice outdoor cook area. You have your hookup here too for your propane. And it's right underneath the awning, so on those rainy days you can still cook outside. And then you got, of course, your port there for your TV, so you can do an outside entertainment. And it really is right underneath that awning, so you don't have to worry about anything getting wet. You can even keep it right here so it'll stay nice and dry as well. So if there's any questions or concerns that I didn't answer on this video, by all means give me a shout. My direct line is 780-977-2138, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you and have a wonderful day.